In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master meeting management in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system for agendas, notes, and action items, all organized in one place, so your team always knows what's next. Start by opening your ClickUp account and heading to the space where you want your meetings to live. Keeping everything in a dedicated space makes it easy to find past notes and track follow-ups. Next to the space name in the left sidebar, click the three dots. This opens the Space Options menu where we can add ready-made structures instead of building everything from scratch. From that menu, click Templates. Templates in ClickUp are pre-built setups that include lists, tasks, fields, and views for common workflows. Using them saves time and helps your team follow the same process every meeting. When the template window opens, use the search bar and enter Meeting. You'll see a collection of meeting-related templates. Look for Meeting Tracker. This one is designed to streamline agendas, capture decisions, and log action items in a consistent format, which is essential for keeping momentum between sessions. Click Meeting Tracker to preview it, then click Use Template. ClickUp may ask you to confirm a few basics. You'll be prompted to name what you're creating. Choose a clear, descriptive name that your team will instantly recognize, such as the team or project name paired with Meeting Tracker. Once you've entered the name, click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will add the structure to your chosen space, and you'll see it appear with lists, tasks, and views ready to go. With the tracker in place, feel free to customize the template so it matches how your team meets. Tailor statuses to reflect your workflow, such as agenda, in meeting, and actioned. Adjust or add custom fields to capture what matters most, like attendees, decisions, owners, and due dates. Refine views to suit your style. Keep a clean list view for quick scanning, and add a docs or notes view for agendas and minutes. Assign tasks to the right people, set realistic deadlines, and add priorities so follow-ups don't drift. If your team meets on a schedule, set up recurring tasks for your weekly or monthly meetings. Finally, once it looks perfect, keep using the same structure each time for consistency. That's it. You've set up and customized the meeting tracker in ClickUp, giving your team a reliable system to plan, run, and follow up on meetings with confidence.